go.
I'll try not to laugh too much.
No, whatever. Don't hold it. Don't drop my phone.
I won't drop it, I promise.
I'm gonna not choke on it.
Oh, here we go!
The big drop!
Drop it.
That was awesome. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to injure you.
Ow, you like popped my back.
Excellent.
Cut your tongue off with that.
And that was playing the harmonica while riding the roller coaster.
Wait, was that light on the whole time?
Yep.